20 liter.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, this is the milling part. Some part where they mill the oils almost fell down. This is the one that they squeeze the oil from. You can see this. Some women are working. They've been going round the farm since morning, so we just got to this part now. Majority of them had left, but as you can see, these are the leftovers that they after the leftovers, the remains, I mean the shafts, after they mill the oil from it. You can see, so another nearby local village. So after collecting, then they bring it over here, mill it. See, they are in sacks. You can see we have some bags there. A bowl. Hello, now well done. Oh. Good evening. I want post am go CNN. Make them see how una dey work. I want post una. How many of these basin make one drum? One gallon, 25 liter. How many of this?
Is 4 basin.
4 of this.
4 of this.
What of one bag? How many?
One bag enter 1 pressure and a half. One bag 3 basin.
This basin?
Yeah,
3 and a half. Now they enter one bag.
Yeah.
One bag is how many kg?
100 kg.
100 kg. Okay, we are going. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.